Andy Klaus with Vortex Weather Insurance. In today's whiteboard session, we are going to discuss our supplemental hurricane insurance and more specifically, the coverage options within our supplemental hurricane insurance. So what makes our product unique is it is on top of, or it works alongside a traditional hurricane or wind hail insurance policy. It's for those gap filling items within a traditional policy, or if you don't even have wind hail insurance, it's something in place so at least you have some sort of coverage as opposed to nothing. So here are some of the important points to understand within the coverage. It is available along the Gulf and Atlantic coast. These are the areas that are most susceptible to hurricane damage. The policy is annual, so as opposed to some of our event-based policies, the hurricane insurance policy lasts for a full 12 months. Now, in order to bind the policy, there has to be a 30-day window in order to purchase it for forecasting rules and such. But ultimately, it lasts for the entire year. So you can purchase it during hurricane season or outside hurricane season. It doesn't really matter. This is for commercial businesses and organizations only. So unfortunately, it is not for personal lines. The coverage triggers if it is a Cat 3 storm or more intense. So Cat 3, 4, 5, or what's more commonly known as a major hurricane. Now, how the policy triggers is there is a 20-mile and or a 40-mile radius that surrounds your property. Now, if the storm track of the hurricane were to intersect that 40-mile or 20-mile radius, your policy triggers and you receive a payout. You don't have to have proof of loss. You don't have to have damage. There are no insurance adjusters. The payouts are very quick and simple. If you have any other questions regarding the policy, we're more than happy to help. Call or text 913-253-1215 or reach us at vortexinsurance.com.